Hey guys, Bryony here from Accelerate Off-Grid Touring. So you're watching this video because you are interested in one of our behind-seat dual battery kits that have been designed specifically for the Ford Rangers in the PX models and the Mazda BT50s. Now, just to put a disclaimer on this, we've had so many customers buy these kits and fit them into other vehicles. This is just what they were designed for, but you can put them basically anywhere. Okay, let's start with the actual battery tray itself. So we get these designed and manufactured locally on the Sunshine Coast. It is made out of aluminium and it's basically it there in a nutshell, but it is designed to fit a 100 amp hour Slimline battery in behind there and also the Redarc BCDC charger up in there. So that's the actually battery tray. You can buy the tray by itself, as I said, and you can buy these kits without a battery. If you have your own existing battery, we've got the internal measurements up on our website so you can make sure that your battery fits perfectly. So we'll jump into battery options. So as I said, we've got the no battery option on the website. We have the Invicta Lithium 100 amp hour battery and also the Enerdrive 100 amp hour battery. Look, both of those lithium batteries are very comparable. You've got a 7-year full replacement warranty on the Invicta, where you've got a 5-year on the Enerdrive. Both of them are Bluetooth compatible, so that means you can download the app onto your mobile phone and monitor the battery. You can see the status going in and out, or sorry, the amps going in and out, the percentage of the battery status, and a whole heap of other features in there as well. So both of them are your premium lithium batteries that we have on offer. So next up, we have got the Redarc BCDCs. So these are actually two ones that we have got built ready to go out for customers today. So you can choose your Redarc BCDC on there. Now there is 4 options to choose from. You've got the Redarc BCDCs, the original ones that are waterproof and heat-proof, and they come in the 1225, which is a 25 amp hour charger, or the 1240, which is a 40 amp hour charger. We then have the more budget-friendly but still amazing Redarc product in the Redarc Core range. So these aren't water and heat-proof. So if you're going in cab in your Ranger or Mazda, you just need the cores. You don't need to upgrade to these, the original ones. But if it's possibly that it's going to go later on down the track somewhere that's going to get heat and weather affected, going to the Redarc BCDC 1225s and 1240s is a really great option. So these control your solar input, your alternator input. They have basically all of that. They mount nicely onto the tray and we wire them all up and program them to lithium batteries unless you let us know it needs to be for another battery. I'm going to run you through all the wiring harnesses. So let's start with the first little harness, this guy here. It is your ignition pin wiring harness. So it comes from here into under bonnet into the ignition pin. Okay, so next up is your main battery harness. So this is going to run from under bonnet in the vehicle and charge down to the behind the seat in your car and charge this battery from your car's alternator while you drive. So it's all labeled Anderson plug, super easy to put in. The next one, I'm going to pick up this one here. So this is your socket box harness. So we've got a socket box or igloo mount that will go to the rear of the tub. So this harness is going to go from this charger behind the seat to the rear of the tub or wherever you're going to mount your power sockets to run all your devices. And then if you choose a socket option with solar input, you're going to get a second harness that's going to run same from here to the back in your solar plug where your solar is going. So these are all your harnesses, all made here locally on the Sunshine Coast by our auto electricians and full easy to follow instructions for you. Okay, so the last option for what you need to choose on the website is how you're going to charge all your devices, run your fridges and that sort of thing. So we've got 2 options, we've got 8 options in total, but 2 actual visual options. So you've got the socket box and then you've got the dual socket. So it just depends how many outlets you need to run. So as I said, these are designed to go in the tub of your vehicle. So the socket box has 5 different options with different socket configurations. So you can go USB, USB-C, Angle, Anderson plug, and red Anderson plug for solar. Lots of different options in there. It's all explained on the website. But if there's a configuration that you want that isn't listed, just drop us a note at checkout and we can sort that all out for you. And then the dual one is just a nice, easy, what we call a little igloo mount, and you can fit 2 different sockets in there or a voltmeter if you want. It's the same thing. You can choose from USB-C, Angle, USB-A, and all those sorts of options as well. All right, so that is everything you hopefully need to know on our Ford Ranger PX and Mazda BT50 behind seat dual battery kits. As always, if you do have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment in the video below. You can email us at hello@accelerateoffgrid.com.au. But hopefully you've got all the info now to you can jump on our website and buy online.
Accelerate off-grid touring, powering your adventures.